Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we will be discussing on various types of charges applicable in Zerodha. Now if you see, first we shall discuss on various account opening charges. Here we shall categorize them into various segments and accordingly the charges are presented in front of you. Nextly, we have trading related charges. Now let's discuss each row one by one. The first one to discuss is related to brokerage, wherein whatever is being charged here, the complete amount goes to the broking firm. In our case, it's none other than Zerodha itself. After that comes STT or CTT. Here STT stands for Securities Transaction Tax and CTT, which means Commodities Transaction Tax. After it comes transaction charges. The charges charged here in transaction charges, the entire segment is withheld with the exchange. After which comes GST, whose full form is Goods and Service Taxes. The amounts being charged here goes to Central Government of India as well as the state government, but it entirely depends on various factors. The last segment to discuss is SEBI charges. Now, SEBI over here stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. Here, SEBI is a regulatory body which is meant to foresee the activities in stock markets. As SEBI is a very big organization where it plays a crucial role, henceforth whatsoever being charged in this segment is entirely credited to it. Now the next one is the charges for value added services. Here Zerodha offers a wide range of services which are no doubt optional, but if subscribed they are charged. Here on the chart in front of your screen, we have categorized the details into 3 different columns, wherein in the first column we have discussed the services that are available with Zerodha, followed by the billing cycle, and lastly in the last column are the charges as per the billing cycle. So I hope things are clear with you till here. Now we move on to the next one, wherein we have different charges to go through. Zerodha, in the name of annual maintenance charges us 300 rupees plus GST quarterly in the name of annual maintenance charges. Now in the next point we have physical CMR request. The first CMR copy is free, whereas for the next one we will be charged a service charge of 20 rupees plus 100 rupees for courier, and added to it will be 18% GST for all subsequent requests. Now lastly we have another service called Call and Trade. As the name only suggests that if someone intends to place a trade via a telephone call, he can make use of this service. But there will be a charge applicable to that, which is 50 rupees per order. Also, there is a catch to this, that if the account holder has an intraday position open and he does not square off that by the end of the day, then the back office employees will do that automatically, but they will be implying us with call and treat service charges, that is 50 rupees per order. Therefore, I would like to give a small advice over here, that if some new trader comes and does so, then he has to realize this thing, and having such information not received earlier, he will be quite surprised to know that at the end of the day, when he finds out his or her statement. Apart from that, I would like to also give another advice, but before going on to the next one, let's take this intraday call first. So it is very essential that one makes it a point to either close the trade deal 10-15 minutes prior to that by notifying him that he has some trades open, so that way it will be quite beneficial to him. Now coming on to the second one, if someone has deliverable shares with him which are to be sold, it would be preferable he sells all of them in a single attempt rather than splitting them into different bundles, because he will be charged brokerage accordingly. Lastly, I would like to request to avoid value-added services. Only utilize them if they are essential and they are beneficial for your use. Otherwise, it is best to avoid them as for unnecessary charges. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do hit the subscribe button. Also, like my video and press the bell icon for getting notified on my new uploads. I wish you the very best for future trade. Till then, take care and bye bye.